Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to save Pinterest photos to camera roll. First of all, open up the Pinterest app. Once you get into your Pinterest account, click on the home icon. Tap on a random photo from here and click on the save button from the bottom bar. Once you save the photo, click on three dots from the top right corner of the photo. Then tap on Download Image and click on Allow. This will allow Pinterest to access your photos and media on your device. Once the image is downloaded, go and open up your files from your phone. You can see the downloaded photo in Recent. You can tap to view the photo in the gallery as well. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.